Hello. How's everyone? Hi. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh, I can't stop shaking, but let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Lua Asuka. はじめまして、Asuka Lua です。よろしくお願いします。Okay, let me show you my outfit and stuff, right? So this is me. This is this is me, and let's start from the bottom. Hi. This is me. How are you doing? Yep. This is me. You wanna look at the feathers? Let's see. So these are the sleeves. They're like feathers. So actually, you know, I have 2 feathers on my head, right? And actually, like, I sometimes like sprout feathers on random parts of my body too, but I just I pluck them off. So, you know, no feathers. But the jacket is I guess it's like made of the feathers that I took off, huh? Like that? So that's me. Thank you. I have this face. Hold on, I'll come closer. I have this face, and then this one. They go together really well, I think. Right? And then, sad face. And then, this confused face. I have this face. It's like my normal face, but more smug. Let's go to my profile. Hi, my name is Lua Asuka. Asuka Lua desu. I am 163 centimeters tall. And I'm from a planet that is like basically like Earth, but it's in a parallel universe. So it's like, imagine Earth, but somehow people evolved with bird characteristics, and so we're all bird people. And you know, bird people actually live over 1,000 years, so it's a secret. I'm over 100, but I can't say exactly how old. But we are long-living beings. And I speak English and Japanese. Let's go next. Okay, this is my lore, hold on. Lua fell asleep in the forest one day and woke up in a different world called Earth. She is originally from a parallel universe where all humans evolved with bird characteristics, called bird people. However, the bird people have stopped distinguishing between different bird species, so Lua doesn't even know what kind of bird she is. Her feathers are blue, and sometimes purple. What kind of birds are like this on Earth? Lua eventually made her way to Japan a few years later, where she has now decided to join Production Kawaii until she finds a way back home. But it's hard to break the space-time continuum, right? Doesn't hurt to try. Okay. Next. Yes, so my mama, who bade me, is Sora Sensei, please follow them. Their art is beautiful. They draw a lot of beautiful, beautiful girls. Very, very pretty. And, my papa is Nekoshina sensei. He made me come to life. So, some of my likes. I like singing, obviously. I'm the kind of person who can go to a karaoke place by myself and sing for 6 hours just like by myself. I just like have non-stop singing. Like you're gonna have to physically stop me. Okay, next slide. Okay, you guys gonna find out about my bad taste. Wait. Okay, so some manga anime I like. So I used to watch more anime, but lately I'm more of a manga reader. Just because I like to consume content at my own pace. Does that make sense? Like I like to, like sometimes like watching an anime controls how quickly the scenes go, right? But then if you read the manga and you're like, oh, this part is boring, you can read it really, really fast. So then you can control how fast it goes, but then like, if it's anime, it's like, if it's slow, then it's slow. And my goals are, for streaming, are to at least do 2 karaoke streams per month. Maybe even once a week, if my voice is okay. Like, if I do too much karaoke, I can get tired a little bit, but I'd love to do it fairly often. And one day I would love to release an original song. One day. But that's a goal. And my streams every week will be a mix of games, chatting, and singing. Bye bye.